Oh my gosh. I'm back with another video once again, and by looking at IntelliJ, you can tell it's another coding one, right? Also by the title, obviously you can probably tell it's like another coding video. This one won't be long because I only have one project to show you guys, but this one is a pretty large one. I spent a lot of time. A few of you might have seen this video where I did this. Oh wait, never mind. That one was glitched. Well, I basically did a snake game where it's only the head. And then now I'm doing a snake game with the whole body. And I added a few pretty interesting factors in it. For example, first of all, let's talk about the bombs. Here I made a function where I generated the bomb. This gives the x and the y coordinate of the bomb. And I used the array for the bombs because there are multiple of them. I made a 5. And then this code here is very important. This code checks if any of the bombs or any object overlap each other. So like here we have like if bomb I or like anything, to be honest, equals each other, then we repaint, and then that includes this whole part where we used all our functions made. So if we repainted it, then all the functions would like reset, and then we would do that continuously until we finally got like a value for each item that we really want. Now here's just some code for changing the direction. After that, we have this part, the run. This part is where we controlled our thread, which is basically another code that runs on the side while our main code is running in the middle. Like, for example, if we say every 1 second the thread will sleep, so basically the other code every 1 second it will stop doing it. We can see here I put 100 millisecond, which is equal to 1 second. Then that means every 1 second this whole code will run once. And then here we have the part where we controlled like how the snake moves. These are like we are creating a new head here, and then like we're creating a new head, and then here is where we make the snake actually move. Let's see if okay, so basically how we make a move is every block in the snake has a value, right? So if we take out the last block and then add a block to the front of the snake, then that would give, you know, a new value, right? So that value makes the snake look like it's moving, but then when it's actually not moving, you know. So next up we have this part, which is where we like kinda see if like the teleporters. This is where I coded my teleporters. Wait a second. This is where we coded my teleporters, and this part was a complete pain in the ass, man. Like it was so annoying because sometimes the whole thing, like sometimes when I go through one and then it just won't do anything, and then sometimes it'll get stuck infinitely. So this is probably a good thing. And then okay, I'm gonna show you guys how this is, okay? So first of all, as you can see here, we have our snake, which is started as 4, and then we have 5 apples, which I placed there obviously, and then we have 2 teleporters. This is actually a one-way teleporter, so I can go in from here and then come out here. This shows where the one-way teleporter is. Like this one is definitely going in because, you know, 40 and 360 is this one. And then the bombs, every time you run into a bomb, it makes you lose like one of your snake blocks. And then every time you eat an apple, which is this one, you will gain a block. So for example, if I run into a bomb, oh no, I lost one of my body parts. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so bad at this. And see, I grew it back after I eat the apple, you know? See, now I'm getting longer. And then the teleporter, just to prove to you that it works, as you can see, this is the one-way teleporter entrance, and then this one is the one-way teleporter like output place. So if I run into my body like right now, it would be game over. And then just like normal, if I run into the wall, it would also be game over. So that's basically all. I was planning to do like a thing where you would go faster if you remember my other Snake game, but that completely failed. Like all my border control just went crazy. I mean, this one might not actually be that hard. I will update you guys on if I succeed, which I probably will, because it's much easier with this one than with that one, because like you guys don't have to stay for this part, but like this is just what I will plan to do. So here's the thread. I can change this into a variable, and then every time my snake goes onto like a speed up block, the variable gets smaller, which means the sleep time gets smaller, which means this happens more often. So like I think it might not be as hard as we think, but for now, this is all the code I have. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be linking all the music down in the description if you guys like it, because I know a lot of content creators, they don't link their music, which is heck of a annoying thing, bro. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.